In today's era of urban living and compact spaces, the balcony, once an afterthought, is fast becoming a cherished retreat within the modern home. As city apartments grow smaller and outdoor access becomes a luxury, small balconies have transformed into vital sanctuaries. Among the many ways to enhance these miniature escapes, wooden designs stand out for their timeless charm, eco-friendliness, and versatile functionality. Small balcony wooden design ideas not only bring warmth and aesthetic appeal to urban homes, but also open up exciting opportunities for skilled artisans, designers, and DIY entrepreneurs to generate meaningful income through custom solutions. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wooden small balcony design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The beauty of wood lies in its ability to transform a plain concrete or metal balcony into a cozy, living extension of the home. From wooden decking and seating to vertical gardens, planters, and railing treatments, the possibilities are limitless. But the true significance of incorporating wood into balcony design goes deeper than surface aesthetics. It speaks to a deeper human longing for nature, tranquility, and balance, especially in urban environments that often feel sterile or chaotic. When designed thoughtfully, a small wooden balcony becomes a restorative nook where homeowners can enjoy morning coffee, unwind with a book, or cultivate a mini herb garden, all while surrounded by the organic textures and tones of natural wood. For homeowners and renters alike, wooden balcony decor offers a quick and effective way to add value to their living space without structural renovations. Simple additions like a foldable wooden table, a compact storage bench, or interlocking with tiles can dramatically upgrade the visual appeal and functionality of a small area. These enhancements don't just improve quality of life, they elevate the property's perceived value. In real estate, photos of a beautifully styled wooden balcony can significantly enhance a home's appeal in online listings, increasing demand and potential price. Thus, these small wooden accents serve both personal and financial benefits. Furthermore, wooden balcony designs naturally lend themselves to content creation and community building. DIYers, woodworking influencers, and interior decorators can share transformation videos, tutorials, and before and after content across platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. These platforms are not just channels for expression, they are income streams. Monetizing content, offering downloadable woodworking plans, or linking to an Etsy store selling balcony items can turn a creative hobby into a profitable digital business. The intersection between craftsmanship and content is where many modern entrepreneurs are thriving, and balcony design is a theme that resonates with millions of viewers worldwide. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In terms of product development, the versatility of wooden decor allows makers to build a catalog of practical yet stylish items that appeal to varying balcony sizes and climates. For example, compact folding chairs made from treated wood, modular plant shelves with water-resistant finishes, or custom-built corner benches with built-in storage can cater to small-space dwellers seeking function without sacrificing style. These products not only meet real lifestyle needs, but also showcase the builder's skill and innovation. Additionally, working with sustainable or reclaimed wood adds an environmental angle that appeals strongly to eco-conscious consumers. Beyond just physical products, there's also value in offering consulting or design services. A skilled woodworker or interior stylist with an eye for small space solutions can help clients reimagine their balconies, whether in person or through virtual consultations. Using digital tools, Designers can create 3D renderings or sketches of potential layouts featuring wooden elements, offering clients a clear vision before purchasing. This elevates the customer experience and opens another avenue for revenue, particularly among clients who value personalized service and professional guidance. What makes wooden balcony design particularly meaningful is the emotional connection it fosters. Unlike many modern furnishings that prioritize sleek minimalism and cold materials like glass and metal, wood brings a grounding warmth. It carries a sense of permanence and heritage. For many, wooden balconies become symbolic spaces, places for morning meditations, shared conversations, or evening reflections. The materials themselves hold memory: the grain, the knots, the weathering over time. In crafting pieces for these intimate corners, woodworkers are not just making furniture, they're shaping emotional experiences. Moreover, as mental health awareness grows, so too does the desire to create calming, nature-connected spaces at home. Wooden balconies, adorned with plants and natural textures, foster peace and relaxation. They become personal wellness zones, adding tremendous lifestyle value. Builders and creators who understand this emotional need are better equipped to design products that do more than fill space. They fulfill desire. And in business, that's what makes a product not just useful, but irresistible. The economics of wooden balcony products are also favorable. Many pieces can be made from affordable offcuts, reclaimed materials, or easily accessible local wood types. Production can be small-scale, even home-based, reducing overhead costs and allowing for higher profit margins. By offering high-quality, unique products that customers can't find in mass-market stores, makers can price their work at a premium and build a loyal customer base. The long-term potential for brand building is also strong. A creator who specializes in wooden balcony designs can evolve into a go-to source for small space, living inspiration. With thoughtful branding, photography, and storytelling, even a modest workshop can scale into an online store, a social media presence, or a local business with steady demand. It all starts with one niche, one product, and one satisfied customer sharing their beautifully transformed balcony. The significance of wooden small balcony design ideas goes far beyond superficial decor. These designs bring elegance, utility, and nature into modern homes in a way that is both deeply personal and widely marketable. For the creator, they represent a rare fusion of art and commerce, a chance to make something meaningful and make a living from it. For the homeowner, they offer a daily dose of joy, crafted from wood and shaped by hand. As the world becomes more compact, fast-paced, and digitized, these small wooden sanctuaries remind us to slow down, reconnect, and savor the beauty of intentional living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden small balcony design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.